Guys, it's approximately like 4:30. Joson's about to be here to pick me up, so ready to go. Can you wave? Hey guys, I look tired. Even with makeup, I just look tired. Well, that's your fault. I think about 4 hours. We're going to Colorado, and we just thought it'd be fun to do because
you're coming to visit me on my homeland.
You already know, y'all already know. Colorado boy. It's currently 6 o'clock. We're gonna board in like 10 minutes.
Someone just got like squished at the door.
Look at those montañas.
This is the widest fucking thing I've ever heard in my life.
Where are we?
Whole Foods.
We got our lunch.
Do I look like a vlogger carrying this? Hey guys, we're out here at Lookout Mountain. How do you feel?
My feet are numb.
I feel great. It's pretty hot out. Snow all across the mountain.
I don't know if I'm wearing enough clothes.
Beautiful day. Yeah, she's got like 3 layers on. Look how cute she is.
Marshmallow.
In her little beanie. She's like a little marshmallow. Puffball.
Yeah, Jess and I finished hiking or whatever that was. We are gonna be sledding down.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime.
Don't hurt yourself.
Like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just trying to get it.
We ended up trying to catch the sunset and it didn't really work because oh my god, you literally almost hit me. But yeah, I'm just sitting on this bench looking at the pretty view. I'm gonna see what Joson's up to. I'm freezing.
Can I climb to the top?
I mean, you're already almost there.
Watch her like break.
We're at Safeway because we wanted to get some Pepsi. Don't ask why. We kind of got tempted into buying some candy, so we got some gummy bears. Actually ended up buying a cake, and then I complained about carrying all the stuff, and then Joson picks it up, and now he's storming ahead. He hates me. Hey guys, what's up? We're back in the car, and we're actually going to be going to Red Rocks Amphitheater. It took me so long to get ready. I think he's pretty done with me at this point. Do you hate me now?
No.
Not tired of me?
Not yet.
Just made it to Red Rock Amphitheater. Why do you keep saying it's plural?
It's Red Rocks.
It's Red Rocks Amphitheater.
There's more than one rock.
This place is really cool. You have anything to say?
Hi.
That's all you ever say. Yeah, we're here. This is what it looks like. This place is huge. And you got the mountains in the back. I mean, we're all in the mountains already, but yeah. Joson wants to race up these stairs. So I think we're gonna do that.
Can we vlog it?
There's a lot of stairs. Sure.
Can we vlog the race?
Bottom of the amphitheater. It's a bunch of families here, and Joson is trying to climb this rock. He's always trying to climb shit, and I just get nervous. Look at that. Setting a bad example for the little kids. I'm literally wearing Joson's jacket on top of my North Face because I'm really sensitive to cold weather since I'm very used to California weather. Funny because Joson is literally, he looks kind of like a little country boy. He just got his haircut this morning and it's pretty short, and I think he looks so cute. It makes him look really young. And then he's wearing his camo jacket, and also he's wearing some boots, and I just think he looks like a little country boy.
Hey guys, we're about to leave Red Rocks and head down to Denver downtown and eat some food, maybe explore.
Super fun.
Yeah.
You can keep me warm on a cold night.
Hey guys, so we're at the gas station now. We're just getting some gas because we're running low, and we're about to head to downtown Denver. Well, we are downtown technically, but low-key getting hungry. Not sure what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna go back after and then get food. My responsible husband Husband, is it not working? I guess husband's having a bit of difficulty with the pump. Just kidding, all is swell.
Got 5 gallons for $12.
So we're actually at the Capitol building now. Woo! It actually looks really cool. Look how big it is. Woo. Bit chilly for me.
It's a bit chilly.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside, check it out, all that jazz.
Yeah.
Look at that view.
There it is. So good.
Just got back from our little outing, and as you can see, this is how I stay warm. I got on, not talking to you, honey.
I think I ripped my jacket.
Babe. On one North Face, I have on another, and then I have another. Yeah, we got Joson making me guac for my chips.
Hey guys.
Ooh, that's a good avocado. Hey guys, it's a brand new day. We are in some kind of grocery store. Joson always goes ahead of me, and it's so annoying because he just leaves me in the dust. Getting water for today's adventure. Not really sure what we're doing because he said it's a surprise. We're gonna go to his school after, I think.
This one's gonna last me for the whole next year.
You're nasty. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, and today, who knows what we're doing. We're kind of just playing it by ear, doing random stuff. I think, there he is.
If we have time later, we can pick up Harvard's.
Update, we're at Garden of the Gods. I think that's what it's called, but it's really cool. Yeah, the view is absolutely divine.
Really couldn't say. We'll ride the waves of the ocean, wasting all of our days. We could roll with the motion, it could all float away. All these feels in the open.
Ski, bop, bop, bop.
Get close to you.